Hey guys, welcome back to me. And today we are showing this my first add-on that I have, and it is a working 3D printer by this absolutely awesome kid. He didn't send me it. It might be a girl or a boy, I don't know. But anyways, this 3D printer made by Aaron Lee. I can't read his name. Just built something in the input box. The box with a gold floor, and the exact copy of it will be 3D printed in the output box. The box with the diamond floor. Okay, that's just a little tip. Now, I made a weird thing. I think it said gold is input. Wait, no, where it says input. Okay, let's just build a random thing. So sea lions in here, like that. Iron block in the middle, like this, and diamond on the top. And I didn't build this. I don't know why I even have it. I went to click print. Look, it prints an exact image of it. That's all the redstone behind it. It's in here. Weird. Anyways. This is a very, very cool add-on I like. I think it's really cool. But anyways, ladies and gents, that is the end of this video, sadly. I don't really know anything else that I can explain. But anyways, this has been Creeper Gaming, and I'm out. See you soon.